Our methods are conscious. MCs fall back.
He is a symptom of a sickness in
You see, the
society.
future will look after itself is a fair philosophy, but maybe not the best way to plan a pension policy. I'm the bare responsibility of tartan squared sausages, commanding verses properly with accidental honesty. The subtext of my rants are there for all to see. I'm a cog in the voice box of a Scottish scene. I've represented everywhere I've been since 17. My music's just a byproduct of a sentimental dream. A dream where all God's creatures are born equal, where economics take a backseat and the laws are drawn based on the universal principles of freedom. Government of the people, by the people, for the people. It's a nightmare globalised, my friends. We need to rid it quickly, cause it won't be long until Obama's crucified on the gates of the Forbidden City. Okay, you fucking get me? Right, who's with me? Loki the first class fire demon, sober higher steaming, stoned alive, unbeatable if you desire. Remain open eyes, you're dreaming, don't deny your flows benign, approach you rhyme lies personified, your soul requires treatment. Beat that, I'll leave a kid clueless and conceited pricks are deemed useless. Try to find the exit of my sphere of influence. Let's do this for the future of our species. Atomic winter won't give a shit about real MCs. Meaningless to me, I can only be as real as the air I breathe and the earth beneath my feet. A man of many contradictions, pioneering self-awareness as a clear and constant in a universe of variables. Seen the coffins lifted, cried the tears, heard the medics. Life is dear, yet it's hellish, but it's worse when you're selfish. I should be dead, long gone years ago, but I just refuse to lie down. I found a meaning so profound in the freezing cold. I called it given, so shove your advice. I'm here now to contribute something to another's life. Beautiful and vulnerable, obstacles can always be overcome when you work at them. Okay, you had a plan, and the plan was an assumption, and the assumption was a mistake. Therein lies the rub, kid. Pick yourself up, dust off, come along in my vibe. Where every day we thank God we're alive. Oh, I like a little banter, God, I'm like a giddy grammar, but I gotta find a rhythm partner or piss my karma. Cut this shitty rapper doctrinal jabber, localise the vigor. Precise agendas, no decisive rigour, so rewrite your letters before you might offend Scotland's most polarising figure. So go figure, be an MC, so go figure.